Oh my god. This actually smells awful. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is PJ and I upload twice a week. Every time I do that, it always sounds like so scripted, but it's not. It's just, you know. So today's video is, as you can see by the title, things that you need from Wish. So a couple weeks ago, I made an order off Wish, and if you don't know what Wish is, I've done a whole separate video on like what Wish is. I'll leave it cutted somewhere and in the description box down below. But basically, just really quickly again, it's just a really cheap website that you can get items off. You can literally get anything you want off there. You can get like skincare, makeup, house stuff, clothing, random gadgets, electronics. If you even want some like personal erotic stuff, you can get that too. I went onto Wish and I typed in useful things, and these are things that popped up. I thought that I could show them in the video, but also thought that I could actually use them after the video. I didn't want to just waste my money on things that I would only show in the video and then never use again. So there is one item that is still waiting to come, but I'll show you the photo of what it is and I'll put in the description box when it does arrive if I do like it, and I might even put it in a vlog later on down the track. But it says it's going to arrive on the 15th of December and I'm filming this on the 15th of November. So I'm not waiting a month and everything else arrived today, so I'm just going to show you everything else. So that's enough rambling from me. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and comment down below if you like these types of videos or anything you want to see from me in the future. So it came in a bag like this, and it actually has everything I've ordered like on the front. Usually when I order from Wish, it comes in like several different packages. Maybe my post office was like, I'm not delivering multiple different packages to this person, I'm just going to put it in one. I don't know. But it was like wedged in my mailbox and I couldn't actually see it. Like I opened my mailbox from the back and it wasn't there, and then I went to my car and I walked back and I'm like, there's something sticking out of my mailbox. And it was this. So luckily nothing was ruined, which I'm really happy about. I did order this foundation here. It's meant to be super full coverage, but I want to do like a full first impression on that just to see if it like does cover like acne and stuff that it claims to do. On Wish, you never really know if the photo that they're putting up is actually their photo or if they've just stolen it off someone. So they usually come in little packages like this. This one was inside like that big bag, and then it has like a really random name on the front of it. So this says nose mask, which it does make sense, that is what it is. It's the 25-piece nose blackhead remover mask, pore cleaner, acne treatment mask, deep nose pore cleaning. This actually on here says it's free, but I'm pretty sure I paid for it, so rude. So it's pretty much just a pore strip. That's like 25 pieces. This is all that came in mine, so I feel like I've been stitched up. Oh no, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like multiple in one package, so I'm assuming whatever 25 divided by 3 is in. I'm not going to do maths again. We saw in that Boohoo video that my maths clearly isn't that good. These were free, I lied, and I paid $5 shipping, so technically I paid $5 for them. I just want to see if they're good. Like 25 for $5 is a lot cheaper than you get them in like Priceline or the supermarket, so if they do work, that would be good. The next thing I got is called the Creative Kitchen Faucet Adjustable Tap Extender Faucet Saving Water Splash Proof Water Outlet Shower Head Water Filter Sprinkler. So I think this is used with water. This one again was free and it was $5 shipping. I got the pink color and this is what it looks like. It looks a little sketchy right now, but I'm hoping that it'll fit like on my tap. It's meant to just make your sink like be able to like move the water around. It does have like an open and close valve, which as you can see, like it's not like symmetrical with the hole. I don't know if this is going to fit on here, to be honest. I don't think it will, but let me try. Okay, so no, it doesn't fit, so I'm going to try it on my bathroom. Okay, so I got it on and it is open, so I'm gonna turn the water on. It just, that's what, I thought that was gonna happen. Okay, so, oh my god. Okay, you definitely gotta make sure it's like on properly. Okay, so it does like what it's meant to do. Meant to be able to like swing it around. Ah, there we go. So when you turn it, it does this. It just comes straight off. So it just literally comes straight off the sink. It was cool for like the 1.1 second that it did work. You definitely have to like put that, like that plumbing tape around your tap to get it to stay, but then it's not really interchangeable, which is what it's kind of meant to do. Yeah, I'd give this one like a big no. What is going on? Oh my God, I'm like a pink lion. Something I quickly want to mention is on Wish, there's a lot of different sellers selling the same thing with the same photo. So I would definitely recommend actually reading the reviews. And if the review has like a photo on them and trying to translate like the different languages into English, that's what I do, just to make sure that like the product's going to be like the right size or it's actually going to arrive. And make sure the reviews are like in the last like 6 months to a year. A company, you know, can change hands and stuff like that fast. So just a little tip there. So the next thing I got was 2 pieces of plastic super suction cup razor rack bathroom razor holder suction cup shaver, and this was $1.90 and I paid $3 shipping. I just wanted this for the inside of my shower so I can just like stick my razor on it instead of the razor like sitting on the little shelf in my shower. So these are what these look like. I'm going to stick them in my shower. Okay, so those worked. I didn't think that they weren't going to work. We'll see how the suction is though. They might fall down like in the middle of the night. Actually, I think they just fell down. They just fell down. So as you can see here, I only have one now. I'm not going to show you like the bottom of the shower where it fell just because my hair melts like crazy and that's all at the bottom of my shower. The next thing I got was the sink storage dish drying rack holder drainer kitchen bathroom storage bag, and I actually got this for my mum. Sponge at the moment in the kitchen like sits on like the sink, and I thought, hey, maybe this is like a nice way to like drain the sponge. Completely unnecessary to have, but I thought it would be a good thing to buy for this video to see if it does actually work. I got the color lime green. My mum's favorite color is lime green. If I was gonna get this, I would probably get like the pink or the blue. And again, I paid $1.90 for this and the shipping was $3. So again, $5, which I don't really think is bad for this. It's like really rubbery. Oh my God. This actually smells awful. So this is what it looks like. And you are meant to like tie it around here. God, I don't know if I can do this with one hand. That's what it looks like once it's like tied. I'm going to grab our little dingy sponge. And so pretty self-explanatory, but yeah, I think it works great. The next thing is the plastic packing bag heat. I'm not going to read everything. I'm just going to put it up on the screen. Basically, it just reseals bags. This is what it looks like when it came. I don't know how I'm going to use this. It's all in a different language. It doesn't come with any instructions, so this is going to be fun. I paid $1.95 for this and the shipping was $3. So there's a couple of reviews on here that says works great, heats up immediately. Oh, someone's put a video on here. So on the video, they have shown that it actually works. This is what it looks like. It literally just looks like a stapler. Ah. Wait, what? Ah. I meant to put batteries in it. I was like, how does this heat up? I don't understand. It didn't come with a cord. If it does work, that'd be pretty cool. I don't know how many times I'm sitting there watching Netflix and I'm eating chips and then I just leave the chips open and they go all stale, and then my fat ass wants them again the next night and I can't because they're stale. Wish you may be making this little chubby girl very happy. I don't feel like this is getting hot. So it looked like just in the video she went like this. Okay, that didn't do anything. Maybe the batteries aren't in right. But this is what the inside looks like. So it doesn't really have like a spring section. It's got 2 sides that when you push on it, they bounce back. So I have no idea like which side the battery is actually meant to go in. Because usually like you put one battery in one way and the one battery in the other way. I don't know how you know whether it's heated up. But this is not getting hot like at all. It literally doesn't have any instructions on it at all. So somebody did say had a little trouble for putting the battery in but did work well. I'm having the same issue. I just want it to work. Is that too much to ask for? There's no like on button or anything like that either. Just gonna leave this for a couple of minutes and see if it works. It doesn't work. Okay, I'm pretty pissed off about this because everybody else said theirs worked, but mine doesn't work, so maybe I'm doing something wrong. I might message the seller and be like, yo, how the heck do you get your thing to work? So I did order this makeup case, which I actually then ordered on eBay because this one never came. I got it refunded though. I paid $1 and then $1 shipping, and I got a refund of, $1.90. Oh, they're stealing my money. But I thought, hey, a makeup case for $1, that would be awesome. And then it said like, this is a limited thing. Only a few people can win this, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Anyway, I think it's just a scam. I ordered 2 more things at the same time for $1. Ordered these really like hippie pants. Again, I paid $2 and only got $1.90 back. And then I ordered these runners because I thought like it'd be really cool for like runners for $1. Then again, they stole 10 cents off me, so Wish has stole 30 cents from me. That's like a whole chubba chub. And then the last thing that I ordered that has arrived is these eyelashes. It says 8 styles, 10 pairs multi-pack, and you get to choose like what type of eyelashes you actually want. And I think this is like my favorite purchase. These are the eyelashes that I chose. They've got a really thin band, which I wanted. They're really full, really fluffy. They like crisscross, so they'll give a lot of dimension to the eye. Really happy with this purchase. This was free and I paid $5 shipping. So I'm obviously not going to test the pore strips at the moment, but I will put in like a clip later on if I do end up liking them. And I can't test the lashes, but they look pretty good to me. Lashes are pretty easy to tell whether you're going to like them or not, unless I pull them off the package and they become really stiff. But I will let you know down in the description box if I do end up liking them. So that was everything for this video. I do have a code that you can use. I'm going to leave it on the screen. Basically, you get up to 50% off. Just remember that, up to 50% off when you use like my code. This is just from the app, like Wish haven't sent it to me or anything like that. I'm not a huge YouTuber, so obviously like I don't have a code or anything like that, but it's just the one that comes in my app. If you are looking to purchase off Wish, you will get quite a big discount if you do use this code. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these types of videos, please let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye.